Good afternoon. You're watching Live and Breaking at 1 p.m. I'm Suesha Sawant, and we first get you these live pictures of the protests that are underway in Chandigarh. Teaching and non-teaching staff, all aided colleges that are protesting in Chandigarh, and protesters are demanding that their services are taken as per central service rules. Since Monday, all aided colleges in Chandigarh have been closed as professors are protesting. Amandeep is joining us live on the broadcast. Amandeep, these protests that are only escalating, and this is certainly something that the Punjab government needs to look into on priority. But what is this teaching staff saying?
Well, absolutely, Suesha. The point is that from past 7 days, this teaching and the non-teaching staff are continuously on the protest, and in fact, all the aided colleges in Chandigarh remain closed, and you can see these kinds of slogans from Monday till now. They are continuous, and in fact, their demand is to enroll them into the central service rules, and they are so far not a part of central service rules, and all the professors and the non-teaching staff, they are sitting on the protest and demanding for it. They are pressing their demand while through this kind of protest, and you can see the visuals. This is also continued on the Sunday as well, and even demand is very much clear that they and in fact every single day, Suesha, this protest is getting escalated. Student unions and even the other unions are also coming in the support of these teaching and the non-teaching staff. They are having the placards in their hands, and in fact their demand with the Union Ministry and the UT administration to enroll them into the central service rules as well. We will try to speak to some of the protesters to know their demand as well. So ma'am, your protest is continued till the time your demands are not going to...
Yes sir, बिल्कुल हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे जब तक हमारी डिमांड्स फुलफिल नहीं होती. By all means we are standing, and we are standing all together, students, teaching, non-teaching staff, all.
And even since Monday, the entire aided colleges remain closed due to this protest.
Yes sir. All our students are with us, they are on roads with us, and we are not going to continue teaching till the time our demands are fulfilled.
So in fact, Suesha, you can see that all the teaching and the non-teaching staff is here and protesting against the UT administration as well as the union government, asking them and pressing their demand to get enrolled into the central service rules. And just because of this protest, Suesha, the entire aided colleges remain closed from past 7 days. We are joining with more protesters. Yes ma'am, what is your demand and how it will be going to continue?
मैं आपके माध्यम से पूरी दुनिया को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि पूरे इंडिया में यूजीसी रूल्स लागू हो चुके हैं. चंडीगढ़ ही सिर्फ एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे यूजीसी रेगुलेशंस टीचर्स को नहीं दी गई. लास्ट ईयर हमारे ऊपर एमएचए नोटिफिकेशन आया था जिसके अंडर हमें सेंट्रल सर्विसेज रूल्स दिए गए. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस में वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिए गए, लेकिन जो प्राइवेट एडेड कॉलेजेस हैं चंडीगढ़ के, उन पे अभी तक 1 साल हो गया हमें इंतजार करते, वो लागू नहीं की गए. और हमारा जो नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ है, हमारे जो नॉन टीचिंग बहन भाई हैं, इनके 7-7 साल से स्केल नहीं हुए, जबकि पूरे इंडिया में ये हो चुके हैं. हमने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को लेटर्स भी सारी प्रोवाइड करा दी है.
आपका ये प्रोटेस्ट कंटिन्यू रहेगा?
हमारा प्रोटेस्ट कंटिन्यू रहेगा जब तक हमारी मांगे पूरी नहीं होती, तब तक हम ये प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे. और अगर जरूरत पड़े तो हम सड़कें भी जाम करेंगे, हम भूख हड़ताल भी करेंगे, और जब तक हमारी डिमांडें पूरी नहीं होती, दोनों धिरों की, टीचर्स की भी और नॉन टीचर्स की भी. स्टूडेंट्स हमारे साथ हैं, स्टूडेंट्स भी सड़कें जाम करेंगे.
In fact, Suesha, the situation is escalating, and even they are going to come on the roads after this if their demands will not get met. You can see the visuals as well, and even the students, the college students are also landing in the support of the teaching and the non-teaching staff. We will try to speak to some of the students. आप student हैं?
हाँ जी.
आप भी इनकी सपोर्ट में हैं?
हाँ जी, हम यहाँ डीएवी कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट काउंसिल है, और हमारे साथ में दूसरे कॉलेजेस की काउंसिल भी आई है. एसजी कॉलेज, खालसा कॉलेज से भी सारी काउंसिल्स आई हैं, और हमने पूर्ण रूप से अपने टीचर्स का समर्थन दिया है. और चंडीगढ़ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कह देना चाहते हैं, अगर 8 तारीख तक इनकी मांगें नहीं पूरी होती हैं तो 9 तारीख से हम सड़कों पे उतरेंगे, क्योंकि यार टीचर्स हमारे प्रॉब्लम में है, तो हमें भी दिक्कत हो रही है, हमारी भी पढ़ाई कहीं ना कहीं डिस्टर्ब हो रही है इस चीज़ से, और CSR लागू होना चाहिए.
So in fact, fact, Swesha, first this protest was started by the teaching and the non-teaching staff. Now the students are also participating into this protest. The situation is escalating here in Chandigarh, and demand is only one single demand, that teaching and non-teaching staff of aided colleges should take into the central service rules. This is the only demand of these all protesters, and since then, Swesha, that all the aided colleges in Chandigarh remain closed just because the entire staff is on protest. Yes.
Amandeep, continue talking to us, because it's important to also voice what these teachers have been fighting for and the injustice that has been happening to them all along. For how long have they been taking all their issues to the government, knocking the door again and again, but it's all gone unheard, which has landed them today in sitting here on the streets and protesting?
Well, absolutely, Swesha. The point is that since Monday, they are raising their voice through the protest, and before that, they have given the representations to the UT Education Secretary as well as Governor, and in fact, the certain other authorities as well. But everything remain unheard, and that's the reason resulting this protest. These teachers and the non-teaching staff has decided to raise their voice through these kind of protest. And since Monday, all the teachers and non-teaching staff of aided colleges in Chandigarh, they are sitting on the protest at different colleges, and in fact now they are planning something big to hold a road march to the Governor House to raise their demand. And till the time this teaching and the non-teaching staff will remain on the protest, all the aided colleges will remain closed, and even they are blaming that their voices are unheard so far. Nobody is giving the concern to their voice, their demand, and their demand is very much genuine. Yes, Swesha.
All right.